Yo, what's up guys? Today we're diving into a whole different kind of obsession. The kind where you're so deep into coding that you might just start dreaming in JavaScript. I'm joking. We're talking about how to become absolutely hooked on coding to the point where it feels like second nature, like breathing. Trust me, once you're in, there's no going back. So step 1, start small but go all in. What I mean is, you don't have to be a programming expert to start. Just pick something, anything simple. Maybe build a little web app that counts your many excuses for not coding. The goal? Get hooked by making it real fast. It's like a gateway project. Once you see your code doing anything cool, even something tiny, that spark will start growing, right? Now, step 2, feed your curiosity. Let's be real, there are a ton of tutorials, courses, and AI tools out there that basically hold your hand throughout the basics. The trick is to stay curious. Want to know how your favorite app works? Break it down, reverse engineer it. Curiosity is the fuel that keeps your coding, even when the going gets tough. And hey, with AI tools now, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. Just ask and bam, you're back on track. Step 3, embrace the struggle. Yeah, you gotta love it. Listen, anyone who tells you coding is all fun and no frustration is lying. You're going to hit walls, get errors that make no sense, and wonder if computers are plotting against you. But here's the deal, the struggle is where the real magic happens. Every bug you squash, every error you conquer, it builds your resilience, and soon you'll get addicted to that feeling of victory. There's a little rush every time you solve a problem, and that's the stuff that keeps you coming back for more. Now, for step 4, play around with AI. Here's where it gets really interesting. You've got a ton of AI tools at your disposal. ChatGPT, GitHub, Copilot, the whole gang. These aren't just extras. They're like having a mentor who's available 24/7. Use them to speed things up, try out new ideas, or even create projects that you would have seemed impossible a few years ago. AI helps you skip some of the frustrating stuff and jump straight into building cool things, which is just going to keep fueling that obsession. Now, for step 5, make it a game. One of the biggest ways to stay hooked on coding is to make it fun. Challenge yourself to beat your own high score. Can you solve a problem faster than the last time? Can you build a feature without Googling? Turn coding into something that feels less like work and more like a game. And if you're competitive, well, join a hackathon. There's nothing like a little competition to keep the adrenaline pumping, right? Now, for the takeaway, coding can go from something I do to something I live for. If you let yourself get obsessed with the process, get curious, lean on AI, embrace the struggles, and have fun with it. Because here's the thing, once you're hooked, the sky's the limit. And who knows, you might just create something that changes the world, or at least gets you that dream job or $1 million app idea.